Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet one row granny stitch. As you can see here, I have a bigger one and a smaller one, so I'll make the smaller one so it's easier for you to learn. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Then we're going to yarn over. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the fourth loop, we're going to insert our hook, go through, make double crochet, yarn over again, the same loop to make 2 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, count 1, 2, and the third one, and to make 3 double crochet, then chain 1 again, yarn over, 1, 2, the third loop over here, going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1 again, yarn over, and count 1, 2, and 3, and the last one, and to make 3 double crochet, to tighten this here, that way. You can see this is how it's supposed to look like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn over, yarn over. We're going to come here in this space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, to come again here in this space here, chain 1 again, yarn over, come over here, then yarn over again, make 1 chain. Now the space over here, going to yarn over, and in this space we're going to make 1 double crochet. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. We'll have 4 here and 3 over here. So I'm going to chain 3 again, turn over, work, yarn over, insert a hook in that space, chain 1, so 3 double crochet, chain 1 again, chain 1 again, come right here, 3 double crochet in the last space, you can see this is how it's supposed to come out. So we need to chain 3, to turn over, work, yarn over in this space here, chain 1, come right here, chain 1 again, chain 1, yarn over, go inside this space here to make 1 double crochet, then going to chain again 3, going to make 3 double crochet right there. Then chain 1 again, go into the next space, chain 1, then the last space here, three double crochet, and chain 3. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So it's like we're going to chain 13 from here, then we're going to make 2 double crochet, going to skip 4, 2 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet, skip 2, and then the third space double crochet, skip 2 in the third one, 3 double crochet, then going to chain 3 here, then you come over here around, going to make in this space here 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, going to make 1 double crochet to create a space, then again here we're going to follow the same sequence everywhere, and we're going to have 1 2 1 2 spaces here. See this space here, 1 2 1 2, and then going to start with 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 4. So we'll have gaps over here on the sides. So if you stretch and you see, this is how it's going to look like. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, see you, bye bye, God bless you.